To fly is to be free, to go anywhere, anytime. But to keep flying, we also need to join hands. Bring together people, industry, the Royal Netherlands Air Force, as well as governmental and educational institutions. All their talents, skills, and goals combined push us forward on our joint mission to keep aircraft flying and to maintain the future of aerospace. You search for a destination to learn and launch your career, and we navigate you. You aim for the sky. Collectively, we help you grow and go further. You get electrified by the impossible. Together, we're not just passengers of innovation. We inject and direct it with our energy and commitment. You identify the building blocks that will elevate your business. We establish the perfect groundwork for your ideas to take flight. You enter Hive, either civilian or military. But just like in a real hive, we must operate together. You want to feel safe in a complex world. We want you to look up, knowing that we're doing everything to ensure that. And we keep asking ourselves, where to next? Hive Aerospace Collective. We maintain the future.